Truman Talks Live on Great Day Live is sponsored by the Karl Truman Law Office.
Hey, look, Karl Truman's here today, and he brought his fancy Karl Truman PT Cruiser. I love those. Hey, Karl, good to see you again. How long have you had this thing dolled up?
Oh, I don't know, for a little while now. Yeah, since with the whole military theme, we really enjoy it, and it gets a lot of attention around town.
That's a great car. All right, the Kids Fair is coming up this weekend. I see you have bicycles here too, because you're a sponsor.
Right, I'm a sponsor at the Kids Fair, and also Scheller's Fitness and Cycling worked with us to provide some bicycles, and so PT Cruiser is going to be at our booth. So I want everybody to come out to the Kids Fair and look for the PT Cruiser, and we got some giveaways, and we're going to have a drawing to give away a boy's bicycle and a girl's bicycle.
I think everybody's excited about the Kids Fair. That's always a good time here. And there's nothing else happening in town this weekend.
That's right.
That makes
That's right.
it even better.
Plenty of parking this weekend.
That's right. Well, there's lots of activities too, like inflatables. We're going inside here, by the way. Inflatables, petting zoo, pony rides, face painting, character meet and greet, SpongeBob, Dora the Explorer. You got a lot of friends, Karl.
That's right. We're going to be really busy this weekend.
All right, you can learn more at that website, LouisvilleKidsFair.com. And if you want to slide in here, I believe Laura Rogers is up here too.
That's right, because we're going to switch gears here just a little bit. You're working with the Indiana State Bar Association to provide free legal services for tornado victims who we know are just hurting so much right now, still in that recovery. And there are 3 different ways that people can reach out to get that. We're going to break that down for them right now. The first, the Clark Legal Self-Help Center. Tell us more about that, Karl.
Well, that's a local attorneys from Clark County, Floyd County that provide free legal services, and they're going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays where people can just come in and meet with a volunteer attorney. There is no attorney-client relationship. There is no, attorneys don't solicit any business, but it's just there to provide some advice for people for free.
And that's good too if you want to come in and get that face-to-face interaction, ask any questions. Right. You've got a couple hours there, 2 days a week that you can do that. And
there's so much pandemonium as a result of this tornado. I guess a lot of people didn't realize some of the things they would need, perhaps in legal terms, until all this, the reality is settling in on them so many days after this event.
That's right. I mean, obviously we have a focus on being able to provide food and shelter and clothing, those types of things. Actually, I was able to get out there last week and donate some materials, donate some supplies and things. But something that we as attorneys always want to look at is, well, what can we do as attorneys to provide, our skills in helping people while, everybody's pitching in for the cleanup, but there may be legal documents that someone needs to try to replace that they lost, or there could be an issue with an insurance claim, filling out insurance forms that they may not be familiar with, and or a different type of documents that they might need. So we're here to help volunteer for free legal services to try to help the tornado victims.
And we noted too that there are scam artists that come around after tragedies like this too, so you have to help people in case of fraud that's been thrust upon them. You may be able to unwind something for them too.
Yeah, helping with that type of thing, or if there's a landlord-tenant issue about if a property was destroyed, what your rights are in dealing with your landlord. So there's a lot of things like that that we as attorneys can try to give to our community.
So again, for that free legal help, you can call that number as well, the Indiana Legal Services Corporation. That's a second way that you can reach out for that. And then there's a third way as well. Do you want to tell us about that?
Through the Indiana State Bar Association is a toll-free number that you can call and be connected with an attorney who can provide free, it's pro bono is the term that we lawyers use, but free legal services, and my law firm is volunteer to also provide these free legal services. And my staff will be out there this weekend too. There's going to be a help center set up out in Henryville this weekend.
All right. We appreciate that, Karl. And we saw those bicycles out front. I know you're giving away stuff, so we're going to give away tickets to the Kids Fair.
We are. All you got to do is be the 11th and 12th caller right now, and you can win tickets to the Louisville Kids Fair. It's Saturday and Sunday at the Kentucky International Convention Center. So give us a call and you'll get to go for free.
Thanks, Karl.
Thank you.
Many people have short-term or long-term disability insurance